knotless box braids. They're everywhere, taunting you, mocking you, reminding you of the one thing that you can't seem to control. The fact that you can't feed in braids. I feel you, I really do. But don't lose hope, because if I just described your situation, in this video, it's for you. Knotless box braids can be yours. Yes sis, it can be yours. All you gotta do is thumbs up this video and hit that subscribe button below. And get this, it is absolutely free. You heard right, it is absolutely 100% free. I'm sorry y'all, listen. I went to bed at like after 7 o'clock in the morning this morning, so I'm just a little teensy bit sleep deprived.
It's OVA the creator.
Hey, what's poppin' everybody? It's your girl Ariel, aka Ari, coming right back at you with another video. And yes, you heard right, you read right, you saw right, you did whatever you did right, because you're here, you clicked the video, and now you are about to see a little magic trick. You're about to see how to accomplish knotless box braids using a crochet hook. Yes sis, you heard right. Stop doubting your ears. Your hearing has been right since the beginning of this video. You ain't hearing nothing wrong. We're gonna do all the disclaimers at the end of the video, so stay tuned to the end of the video to hear me out. Alright, hear me out. Alright, so let's just get into this tutorial. Why are you still here? Go and watch the tutorial. We are changing lives in the next few seconds. Y'all be wasting time. Y'all think I'm playing. Y'all think this is a joke. Go and watch the tutorial. Okay guys, so we're going to start off by taking our Shine and Jam edge control and just smoothing this all out. And we're going to start off like a regular knotless braid method. We're going to start braiding my hair first. And then we're going to take the crochet hook, push it through the braid that we've just made, and then we're going to hook on the connect. Sorry, it's blocking the first view, but don't worry, you're going to see the second one. But you push it through and then you hook the connect here through just like you would any regular crochet hairstyle. I know that one got kind of blocked in the camera, but don't worry, we're going to see a lot more, and we're going to keep it very slow so you can see exactly what my mom is doing. So as you can see, every time she braids down, where you would add the piece in the regular knotless method, you're just gonna crochet it in this time. There's no different way of doing it except the way that we always do it. You just push it through your cornrow and then pull only one side through the loop, only one side through the cornrow I should say, and then you're gonna braid as usual. And you just keep on doing that. You could add as many pieces as you want. Some people only add 3, some people add 5. It really is up to you how you want it to look. So as you can see, every time she braids down where she wants to add more hair, she pushes the crochet hook through the braid and then adds the connect line here, pulls it through, and then only takes one side of the hair through. And that's pretty much it. So yeah, the story behind this was I thought of this idea and I asked my mom to do it because she's such a good braider and I knew she'd be able to pull it off really, really well. Y'all saw my braids in the Rihanna video. If you did not see my Rihanna box braid video, well, shoot, you need to go check that out to see how much I suck at braiding. But yeah, so I just told my mom about this idea and she got it super well. As you can see, she doesn't need to do this method because all the other box braids you're seeing right now, she did with the regular knotless box braid method because she knows how to do that. But this is just great for people who cannot feed in that braid without getting problems. So this is a good alternative. So you could just use a crochet hook to get the same effect. And look at that, look how good it came out. You can't even see where the hair was crocheted in. You can't see it. It's super neat. And what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna compare. You see, I'm comparing, this is the regular knotless braid method and this is the crochet. There's no difference. Alright guys, so that is it for the video. Now, remember, this method is only for people who can't get a grip. That kind of worked. You know, like the saying, can't get a grip, kind of worked really perfectly. Sidetrack, that's not what we're talking about. So, of course, if you already know how to do feed-in braids and you know how to do knotless box braids, you don't have to use this method. My mom does not in any way have to use this method because she knows. But if you are like many others who they can braid, but it's just hard to get the right grip, because sometimes even if you try to feed in, you still get like a bulge because you didn't do it tight enough or you didn't get the right, you just didn't get the feel of it. And that's what this technique is for. The crochet hook gives you that grip. It's kind of like the elastic band method. You know that rubber band method for box braids? Car, I am trying to do a video. Why are you making so much noise? Sorry about that. Some people are just so rude and inconsiderate. Canadians ain't all nice, trust me. What was I saying? This is the crochet hook is really, it serves as the elastic band for the elastic band method with box braids. How if you don't get a good grip, you can use the elastic band and then start your braid. It is already for people who know how to braid. It's just if you can't get that good grip, that's the only purpose the crochet hook has. It's just to give you the grip. So if you can't braid, it's not necessarily gonna make you miraculously learn how to braid, but it's definitely gonna help you get closer to doing it without the crochet hook. So y'all know me, I'm just a little extra. I always like to, every hairstyle I see come out, I just like to see how a crochet hook can be implemented, because crochet, I feel like the crochet hook is one of hair's greatest inventions. You could do anything with this thing. I was just thinking, like, there has to be a way to use a crochet hook with knotless box braids. So I was just, you know, I went to the drawing board, I prayed to God, I was like, God, please help me come up with an idea, and bing bang boom, this is what I came up with, and it worked. It actually worked, which is really exciting. So yeah, I hope I was able to help anybody, even if it was just one person. I'm cool with that. And even if you're not going to use the method, but you're just like, oh, that's pretty dope, you can still leave a little thumbs up and a little comment below. Let me know what you guys think of the method. Y'all already know I answer every single comment, so go ahead and comment down below, and I will answer, and I will take in all your advice. Someone just gave me a like, honestly, you guys, your comments, you don't understand, I really appreciate it. Someone just gave me a really dope idea, and I'm going to make that video. Like, y'all keep leaving your ideas, it's inspirational. Make sure you share this video, share everywhere, with your friends, with your family, with your grandma, with your auntie, with your auntie's boyfriend that everybody know about, even though she ain't really talking about him. Go share it with him too. Super special shout out to our featured subscriber of today's video. Let me get her name, 1 second. Olivia! Thank you so much. I really appreciate the love, the support. I hope you're having a great day, a great week, a fantastic year, and a fantastic life. God bless you. If you would like to be a featured subscriber, y'all already know what to do. Comment blah 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 blah, and you do that, of course, by subscribing to join the gang, so we can hang. Hey, I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. I'm gonna catch y'all on Monday. Peace. Would you guys like to see me transform these into faux locks? Oh, would you guys like me to show you how to do like a super cheap and super quick way to do faux locks? Are faux locks still trending? Are you guys still into faux locks? Do you care? Let me know. Or maybe I could turn these into bohemian braids. Are you guys vegan? I know that's a really random question, but like, cause I'm trying to be healthy. I'm not trying to be vegan, but I'm trying to be healthy. I'm gonna start meal prepping. Let me know if you guys want to see how I make super meal preps, because girl is a student, and you know how students' budgets be looking, so we ain't gonna say anything negative over ourselves, but we are going to be realistic, and I'm going to look at you with this eye of, you know what I'm talking about, so that we don't have to say the obvious. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all later. I love you guys. Bye.